I purchased this Holoith glass sugar container with a bamboo lid and spoon to add to my coffee station, and I really like the look of it. The 15-ounce size is perfect for sugar, coffee, and even spices, and the bamboo lid seals nicely so everything stays fresh without being hard to open or close. One of my favorite features is the built-in spoon holder. It keeps things clean and makes it convenient for everyday use. The glass feels high quality, but it is thin, so I personally hand wash it instead of putting it in the dishwasher. This sugar bowl looks beautiful on my breakfast station and adds a simple elevated touch. I would definitely buy this again. It's great for everyday use or as a thoughtful housewarming or a holiday gift. I actually have it out on my table as a display, and you can see here I'm using it for sugar. It holds about 15 ounces, which is really good. It's a good amount of sugar for everyday use.